How's it going, everyone? Bob here. Amateur radio, call sign Kilo Delta 4 Bravo Mike Golf. Most of the time on the channel, I'm giving you tips and tricks. I'm reviewing new products. I'm showing you how to operate stealth in the HOA. I'm reviewing and demonstrating really awesome antenna gear. Lately, I've been on a kick of picking up pieces of history. I have long wanted what I'm about to show you. I just recently picked it up off of eBay. I switched it on for the first time a few moments ago. Let me just get right to it. I bought a piece of history. It's right here on the desktop in front of me. I'll show you how well it works today, and then we'll talk about what the process is from this point forward and see if you want to follow me on the journey, which, quite frankly, I have no idea where it's going. So what exactly did we get? We got a Yaesu FT-101EE off of eBay. Working. Really? We'll see about that. Now, remember, I'm a pragmatist. I'm mechanically inclined. I am not an engineer. I'm not an electrical engineer. I'm not an RF engineer. So I am lost. As soon as I take the hood off of this thing, I am completely lost. And I hope over time, I will learn how to understand how the guts of this works, be able to repair it myself, but that's not how it's going to happen initially. Let's go off screen here. Let's get me off screen. We'll just go ahead and turn this on and I'll show you. The lights are on, but nobody's home. To the best of my knowledge, I think I have this working correctly. I do have an external speaker connected to it. I am on upper sideband. My antenna is connected. I'm on 20 meters. My pre-select is around 20 meters. I've got nothing. Absolutely nothing. So my eBay purchase working means it powers on. Now, I didn't pay top dollar for this. I paid what I consider a reasonable price. If this turns into scrap for parts, I'll be able to resell it for the parts for what I have into it. It's incredibly nice looking cosmetically, but it doesn't work. Doesn't pick up signals, and never would I try to transmit on it at this point in time. I wouldn't even know how to do that properly with this gear that I think, I don't know, is this the late 60s, early 70s? Those of you who know the history, let me know below. I've done some research. Why did I do this? This is nostalgia for me. I remember as a young boy being in an upstairs room in an old two-story house of one of my friends, and I saw something like this on the workbench, and it had this desktop microphone, and I said, "What is that?" And they started spinning this dial, and all of a sudden I heard people talking in strange voices. I heard weird signals coming through. I was intrigued as a young boy. I remember talking to missionaries from our church in Geigertown, Pennsylvania, to the missionaries that were on the field in Peru, on the Amazon River, on riverboats, going up and down the river, helping people out there in the Amazon in Peru. So I have fond memories of this. No direct interaction. I've only been a ham for a couple of short years. And as soon as I saw these radios still available today, I wanted one almost from day one when I got my ticket. Now I own one. It doesn't work. I've already connected with an individual that I think is going to be fantastic to help me restore this radio. I'm going to package it up here in the next couple days, get it shipped off to that individual. Let him do an assessment. Let him tell me what he thinks we need to do. Let's see if we can get this thing working. My goal is to restore it to mint condition, assuming I can do it reasonably priced. So I'm letting you know what I'm up to these days in my spare time, as if I had any of that. And I'll share the journey with you, assuming the journey goes beyond me just flipping the switch and watching some light bulbs come on. I hope that this was a good find. If not, I'll let you know that in the future. If it is a good find and I can afford to do the restoration, well, guess what? I'll share the journey with you. Let me know what you think. Tell me in the comments below if you think I'm crazy, if you've always wanted to do the same thing, or if you've done the same thing. I'll keep you updated as we go. Talk to you soon, friend. 73.